Charity is fundamental to politics, Pope Francis tells youth. Charity is a necessary part of politics, Pope Francis told youth from around the world on Thursday. Politics are the highest form of charity. Love is a political matter. Love is for everybody, and when love is not universal, politics fail in their intent, Pope Francis said, through a Vatican News language interpreter, on Thursday. The Pope attended an event with youth and staff from global chapters of the Pontifical Foundation Scholas Occurrence on Thursday in Rome. He spoke to youth and teachers in person, as well as scholars chapters in the United States, Spain, and Australia through a live video conference. Pope Francis was asked by an audience member how young people who are pessimistic about corruption in politics could work for change. When people ask me what the political situation is like around the world, I always tell them, try and find where the various wars are taking place around the world, and you will see where politics is failing, Pope Francis continued. Harmony has been lost, the ability to discuss has been lost. Public officials must be long-sighted, he emphasized, and should seek harmony rather than self-interest. In order to understand whether politics is working, you are to ask yourself, am I supporting wars? Am I selling weapons? Am I selling guns? And if the answer is yes, then we will know where the truth lies, he said through an interpreter. Pope Francis addressed youth in Valencia, Spain, Chaco, Argentina, Sydney, Australia, and Washington, D.C. via a live teleconference, including new scholars' occurrence communities in Sydney and Washington, D.C. Scholars' Occurrence is a pontifical foundation established in 2015, charged with supporting poor and underserved communities around the world through education. The Pope also visited the Vatican offices of Scholars' Occurrence in Trastevere, meeting with young Italians who participated in a government-supported program on emotional health issues during the pandemic. Thank you for taking risks, Pope Francis told attendees at the end of Thursday's event. The Scholars Project cannot be understood without taking risks. Without risks, there can be no celebrations. So, don't be afraid. Don't stay quiet, he said. Catholics in the Archdiocese of Washington also gathered with Cardinal Wilton Gregory on Thursday to watch the event and send a video message to Pope Francis. They gathered at Archbishop Carroll High School in the city's northeast to celebrate the launch of a new Scholars' Occurrence chapter in Washington. The president of the U.S. Bishops' Conference also shared a message with Pope Francis on Thursday. Scholars is an extraordinary instrument for helping young people to coexist and to help people implement God's plan for the world. Now, Holy Father, we always follow your work, and we always pray for you, Archbishop Jose Gomez of Los Angeles told Pope Francis, according to a Vatican News language interpreter. Hopefully, we will be able to help people from all around the United States, and hopefully, we will be able to help them during these difficult times, but also in the future, Gomez said. A crowd of young people at Valencia's Levante Stadium greeted the Pope in the video conference. In attendance at the stadium was Cardinal Antonio Canizales, Archbishop of Valencia. In response to a question from the gathering about the importance of minding one's origins, Pope Francis responded, we must always keep in mind who we are, we must never forget where we come from. In response to a question from the gathering about the importance of minding one's origins, Pope Francis responded, "We must always keep in mind who we are, we must never forget where we come from."